Okay, so student, question number 1, each question we will discuss. It says a particle is moving in a circular path of radius r. The displacement after a circle, after half circle, would be how much? So you must be aware, this is the half circle. The object would have started from here and reached here. So this is a point A, point B. If it is a half circle, so you might be aware this is the point center, and displacement is what? Displacement is the shortest path length between starting and final. So can we say the displacement would be AOB? Can we say the displacement would be AOB?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Very good. If it is AOB means this will be the displacement.
So the diameter.
It is nothing but a diameter. See, from here to here r, from here to here r. So r plus r will be how much? 2r.
2 hours.
So your option should be second one. Any doubt?
No, sir.
So question number here it is mentioned as a 3. So this you have to understand as a 2 only, right? The numerical ratio of displacement to distance for a moving object is, there are 4 options, A, B, C, D. It says for a moving object, distance upon displacement. I think you all are aware what is the meaning of distance, what is the meaning of displacement.
Yes, sir.
Even new students, please understand, distance is nothing but total path length. For example, any object moves like this. Any object which move like this, suppose this is point A, this is point B. Let me make point B little downside. Say this is point B. Distance is total path length. We start like this, total measure, it will be like this and come to this point, okay? This total path length could be, suppose 100 meter. So distance is how much? 100 meter, right? And displacement we have learned, displacement is nothing but a shortest path length from starting and ending point. And this length could be say 60 meter as well. Naturally, the displacement is lesser than distance, right? So displacement in this situation is how much? 60 meter. If you divide 100 by 60, will be how much? Acha, ratio of displacement to distance. I have written here ulta. So you make it
60 by 100.
Yeah, 60 by 100.
3 by 5.
Yeah. So we will make it displacement by distance, which is nothing but 60 by 100. Now, in this situation, it is less than 1, right?
Yes, sir.
What if the object is traveling just in a straight line? Suppose this is point A, this is point B. From here to here, the distance will also be, suppose this distance is 10 meter. So in this situation, distance and displacement both will be equal, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Sir, 10 by 10, 1.
Distance equals to displacement equals to 10. But once you divide in this case, what happens? In this situation, your ratio will be 1. So what are we getting? It should be either 1 or less than 1. So we will see the appropriate option. Always less than 1. Is it true? Is it always less than 1?
No, sir. No, sir. It is equal or less than 1.
Always equal to 1. That is also not possible. Always more than 1. Never. Equal or less than, yes. So this situation is correct. Option D. Akshit, Babu, you are able to understand?
Sir, I don't get how you got the ratio of it.
Which one you have difficulties?
So how are you calculating the ratio?
Ratio means displacement by distance. Displacement is what? Shortest path length.
Yes, sir.
So we have taken two examples. This is one case actually. This is case one. In this case, what happens? Displacement is lesser, no, to the distance.
Yes, sir.
So less than 1. In this case, displacement and distance both are same, so equal to 1.
Yes, sir.
Akshit, new student Akshit, Babu, are you able to understand?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Anyone who could not understand?
But in case 1, how we will write in ratio?
Tayyiba, I think disturbance is coming from your background. Repeat me again.
I am saying that in case 1, how we will write in ratio?
I'm ignoring you because disturbance is huge actually. You talk to me separately.
Sir, another Akshit joined.
Yeah. Both brothers, Akshit brothers. Anyone? Tayyiba, hope you would have understood. Whatever I wanted to explain, you would have understood. Question number 3. From the given UT graph. Graphical part, please understand students. Graphical part tells you a lot. So there you need to, those who are good in say design, drawing and all, you can be able to analyze, infer so many things. So UT graph. U is what? Speed. T is time. It can be inferred that the object is. See, speed is, time is changing, but speed, what you are able to find, speed is changing or not changing?
Not changing.
Very good. So if speed is not changing, even though time is passing, so that is called uniform motion.
No, sir.
No, sir, at rest.
Rest. The object is at rest.
The object is at rest.
The object is moving, it's in uniform motion.
Moving, no.
It is
Object
a
It is
not
velocity
moving.
time graph, not distance time graph.
not distance time graph. Very good.
Yeah.
It is a velocity. Continuously object is moving with same speed. For example, once you are doing cycling and you are maintaining say 10 km per hour, you are not changing your speed. Speed remains same even though time is passing, but speed is not changing. So this is called uniform motion. At rest, no. Non-uniform means speed is changing. Uniform.
So uniform motion means a line upwards, right? Moving upward.
Please understand through graph. If you are taking distance time graph, distance and time, then it will be continuously upward. You are taking graph of what? Speed and time. In speed and time, what is happening? Speed is not changing. Speed fixed, right? Speed is fixed. Once speed is fixed means that is called uniform motion. You are not changing the speed.
Sir, but now you told that it is moving.
हाँ, तो moving with fixed speed.
So it is option 4, no?
It will.
It is moving.
I request everyone please mute your devices. One by one, please talk. Tayyiba,
Sir, if it is moving, then so it will be option D.
moving but uniform acceleration. Acceleration means speed changes. What is the meaning of acceleration?
Speed changes.
Acceleration means change in velocity. Change in velocity
Excuse me.
by time. Means time is changing. Once time is passing, velocity is also changing. But here time is passing, velocity is not changing. No, so speed is fixed. Uniform. Uniform means it is not changing. Abhi Tayyiba, for example, you are obtaining in grade 6th you scored how much? 80 marks, 80%. Grade 7th, 80%. Grade 8th, 80%. Grade 9th, 80%. So your score are uniform. You are not changing. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Huh. So speed is not changing. Speed is fixed always. Hope it is clear for you all.
Yes.
Graphical question, you have to apply your brain little bit. What it says, try to infer it. X axis says time, which is time is passing slowly. Y axis says it's a speed, whatever it has been given parameter. It is not changing. Not changing means uniform.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes, Harini.
Sir, did we complete the topic graphical representation and velocity and those also?
Not yet completed, but since we are discussing about question answer, so again that concept I am covering now.
Sir, will you explain after this, sir?
Certainly, Harini, nothing, no bypass. Since the question was asked, I have to discuss everything now.
Okay, sir.
Are you able to understand, Harini?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now question number 4.
Sir, I have some doubt in this, sir.
Okay. So students, we are going to discuss question number 4. Suppose a boy is enjoying a ride on a merry-go-round which is moving with a constant speed 10 meter per second. It implies that this is very important questions. Those who are first scorer, first ranker, may please tell me why it will be in an accelerated motion.
Sir, because there is a change in motions, direction, sir.
Very good, Ramchandra. I'm so happy. See, please understand, dear students, please understand acceleration. Acceleration means we are talking about change in velocity.
Yes,
This
sir,
is
and there is no
basically
change in
actually
velocity.
change in velocity by time. Now, it has been given 10 meter constant speed. There is a difference. Please understand the concept now. Now, concept you have to understand. What is that concept? Speed and velocity. Speed says distance by time. It does not have any direction. It does not have any direction. Till now it is clear.
Yes, sir.
Velocity is what?
Displacement by time.
Very good, very good. It's nothing but displacement by time. Meaning is displacement is having direction, so it has a direction.
It's a vector quantity.
Now what happens, even though velocity change, when we can say velocity means direction as well as magnitude. Any one changes, we can say it is changing. In speed, only magnitude should change. So speed is 10 meter per second is fixed. But direction is fixed. But direction is changing continuously. Understood?
No, sir.
Speed is fixed, but direction is not fixed. If direction is changing means, what is that meaning? Means velocity changing every moment. Velocity changing every moment. Velocity change means what we can say?
Change in acceleration.
That's acceleration.
Ah,
Change in
velocity
acceleration.
means it is accelerated motion. Is it clear for you all?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Anyone who could not understand may please inform me.
Sir,
No,
then
sir,
what
not yet.
is ms means ms minus 1?
Meter per second. That is unit. Meter per second.
Sir, so where is the direction?
देखो डायरेक्शन क्या है, ये सर्कुलर मोशन है ना. Now suppose in a circle once you move, so this time what happens, your velocity is in this direction, at this point you come, velocity is in this direction, at this come, velocity is, always direction is changing, right?
Yes.
Is it clear for everyone?
Sir,
Sir,
so
so the
speed
answer
is same only.
Sorry,
Speed is same only.
speed same but direction changing means velocity change.
Sir, so displacement will be calculated every second.
You are asking displacement is being calculated every second.
Sir, how is direction changing displacement, sir?
Please understand, Babu. In a circular motion, if you go straight line A to B, your direction always remains same, right? Is it changing direction? No. Can you say it is same direction in a circular path? If you want to take a turn, always you will be trying to keep your direction changing, no? If you don't take a turn, what will happen? You will be going a straight line. So to change your direction, always you have to put effort. Without putting effort, can you change your direction?
No, sir.
Is it clear?
No, but sir, like you said, the velocity is displacement by time, right? So I was asking that like displacement is calculated every second.
Every not second, even fraction of second, every moment, because this might be you would be completing say in 10 seconds, but 10 second is a combination of all the fraction of seconds. Every moment you are changing, no? Every moment you are changing. Every moment you are changing the path. Path is not same every time. Clear?
Yes, sir. Clear.
Very good. Question number 5.
car B is the slowest.
Star B is the slowest.
Sorry,
Star B is the slowest.
I'm not getting. One by one, please speak.
The answer is
The
B.
B.
The answer is car B is the slowest out of all of them.
It's okay, no problem. Anyone who has not understood question number 5? So that I will explain to the respective person. See, car A and car B, C, D, there are 4 cars. So it says, if you try to plot a graph with 2 examples, I will explain only. This graph shows a distance, right? Y-axis. This shows time. I'm taking 2 examples. Say this is car X, this is car Y. I'm taking a time interval, say 10 seconds. This will be 10. This will be 10. This will be 10. Now in this 10 seconds, what you are realizing, car X is traveling how much? This is the distance. This is the distance. This is the distance. Let's say it will be 10 meter, 15 meter, 20 meter. What about car Y? In same 10 second, it had covered how much? I should change the color. This would have covered this much, and this much. For this, somewhere here, right? Same time, it is covering how much? Maybe 30, maybe 60, and could be 90. So you tell me which car is faster? Car X is faster or car Y is faster?
Car
Car
Y.
Car Y.
So by seeing the graph itself, you can see car C would be faster and car B will be the slower. Whatever option is suitable to you, you can choose it now. So option B. Please wind back again.